Yeah. So let's just start the podcast. Wait, bro. It's not. Are you? Really? Oh yeah. So welcome to the Bangalore podcast. Today is the 7th of March. It's a beautiful Sunday noon. We have a man Shashank in the studio. So I don't want to talk anymore. Let's just get into the episode right now.
Hey Akshat, thanks for inviting me here. It's been a pleasure checking out the Jam House here at Kalyan Nagar. It's been a pretty nice place. Got the band playing inside now as well as we speak. Sakshat is going full scrap up on the. What makes me go skr? Skr! Ah,
Yo, hold up.
tripping acid on a mountain. Scrap up.
Yo, welcome to the Bangalore podcast again, guys. What's happening?
What's happening,
So this
Sakshat?
for this episode of Bangalore podcast, we have gotten my man Shashank. So the reason again of why I've got our man is I like what he's doing at work, and we have like certain talks regarding his work, and it's pretty interesting. So I thought I'll get him over, and and have a talk so that even you guys can understand what he's doing, and probably if you're interested to in his field, it's fun. So like he's as long as I know he's into good ventures and different things, learning different things. What's up, bro?
What's up? What's
It's
happening?
amazing. It's good to have you.
Thank you.
So let me start off by saying that how's Jam Room? You come all the way to Jam Room.
Yeah. So yeah, this place is pretty much blue.
Yeah,
Like
that's the color code.
yeah, that's the color code, and yeah, this place is pretty much sorted for Akshat. Though like having a sound booth
Yeah,
and like a good jam
Jam
space
Room. Yeah,
inside,
yeah. Nice.
and the production right inside, like right where people can see,
See.
like in Akshat in action.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's pretty much sorted, like the place and the vibe, like
Nice.
that's set for musicians, and
Yeah.
there's
Yeah,
pretty
bro.
much everything
Available.
laid
yeah.
out
Yeah.
for the musicians.
So
If you guys are listening, get your band to the Jam Room. You guys go to www.jamroom.co.in, book your slots online.
yeah, our man will be waiting here.
Yeah.
So okay, like let's dial back and let's. What did you study? School, college.
Yeah, so I
Science.
I
Science
took
boy.
science as a major subject, and
Was
yeah.
science interesting?
Yes, I am pretty much a science freak. Was a science freak. I'm a science freak.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So like, was science fun?
Science.
Science was like we had to get to class, lab, and like it was
Yeah, I
sort of
was.
like at one point it was like just like titration. And
I
shit.
think it depends on the lecturer, like
Lecturers
who
and the
makes it
faculty.
interesting, and like the fact that
Which subject in science did you?
I
were you
was
more
mostly
gravitated-
into physics.
Physics.
Like most dwelling into
Nice.
physics.
You like numbers?
Yeah, I was pretty
Don't
good
mind
at
numbers.
math as well.
Oh,
Yeah.
pretty good at maths is different
Yeah.
than don't mind numbers.
Yeah, numbers was in like flowing
What
all the
about
way
bio?
everywhere.
Bio.
Bio, no, not a bio.
Oh, there are
guy.
only math boys and bio
Yeah.
boys, bro.
Yeah,
he's
I'm
a
a
math
math,
boy.
complete maths.
Nice. So then, after what do you think at 10th or like at 12th? How did you project like 12th standard Shashank? Was like, what do I got to do?
Yeah,
How was the
so-
world back then?
So the world was
What do you think? Everybody was doing engineering and like the
Correct,
.com
correct.
boom and bust was
Yeah,
happening.
exactly that pretty
And
much
Bangalore
that's
was
what
in the
happened.
midst of it.
Bangalore had turned into like the Silicon Valley
Yeah, back end
of
valley
India.
of
and
India. Yeah.
Yeah, so like that pretty much impacted like what career
You
path
growing
I
up,
should
yeah.
take. And
So was it like computer science?
Yeah, so I pretty much thought about computer science, but
Uh-huh.
Check 1, 2.
for me computers was not so. I was not so getting along
Getting
with the
along with it.
computers.
Ah.
Yeah, so that's when like my interest in physics and all that kind of blended me, like made me take mechanical.
Mechanical.
Yeah, so I
Oh.
did my engineering in mechanical
At
at Saptagiri College of
Saptagiri.
Engineering. Yeah,
Where is Saptagiri?
so that's near Chikmanavara.
Chikmanwara.
Acharya
Yeah.
Yatra, bro.
Yeah,
Oh,
near
okay, okay.
Acharya.
And I was
Yeah, it was pretty much shitty, like engineering life.
engineering, just chill.
Like, just chill, like most of the time, just chill.
Uh-huh.
Like I think hardly.
How's the
I've-
faculty?
all fucked up. Yeah, not.
Good way to put it.
Yeah, so like I didn't get the education I was expecting at the graduate
Should it be
level.
more practical, you were saying?
Yeah, so more the practical knowledge.
I think the
was
practical part is
zeroed.
where we have to go. They'll give us the theory,
Correct.
and we have to hustle for the practical.
No, it's we can't like if we had to hustle, we
You have to
wouldn't
go
have
work.
to pay them, right?
That's
like
the theory, bro. We gotta go work in some mechanic shop.
yeah,
and
I
some-
mean at least
at
if,
some aerospace or
if
some
college
place like that.
if college puts me to a mechanical shop, tells the guy
Yeah,
like I've
interns
trained
you
him
there,
something,
yeah.
kind of send me as intern.
You get what you pay for.
Yeah, so even that scene didn't happen in college.
So after college, like,
So yeah, so
4
I
years.
had to embrace what Bangalore's been doing best, like the IT sector.
IT sector.
Yeah, so that got like I got into IT since 2014. I got into Hewlett Packard.
So guys, like a little bit of a backdrop, like our man is very much interesting in terms of like work related stuff, like really like I will get into more of it later, but also he plays like instruments and he's like very much into the music scene too. So yeah, you were saying
Yeah, so it was mostly IT since 2014. Like I've been into IT sector working.
so what
worked
was
in-
your first the very first, like we'll have all these like quick jobs, weekend jobs,
Correct.
probably what was that? Was it like sales, or we had sales,
tech support?
tech support as
Yeah.
usual? Amen. How was tech support
it
like?
was. So yeah, tech support, it depends on like company to company, client to client, like
Mhm.
who you're dealing
Which
with.
place was this?
This was Hewlett Packard initially in
Huh.
2014.
14.
So yeah, I worked with big client called KPMG. Like it's
KPMG.
yeah, so it's a huge advisory legal.
Oh, legal. Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
legal tax advisory.
So what was your
kind of firm.
role in that?
I was into like the technical, like mostly dealing with all the data.
So this was after
that's there.
college.
Yeah, this was after engineering.
For how long?
I worked there for 2 years
2 years.
in
Oh,
Hewlett
nice.
Packard. Yeah.
And like, okay, let me ask, like, in tech support, your voice.
No, I'm
Was
so
it-
yeah.
Okay.
It depends. That's what. It
So is
depends
any
on the
kind of
client.
support, email and like.
I was mostly into emails and I was dealing with user access management.
Uh-huh.
So if any employee in KPMG needed to access certain server
Uh-huh.
for any data,
Huh.
the request would go through me
Okay.
or
okay.
my team rather. Yeah.
Right,
so they would send out a request which we would process and send them back an email saying this is being done, you can access
Okay.
your contents now. Yeah.
So
it
we
was
can
mostly
day in
that
day
kind
out. It
of-
was more something like that.
Huh?
Day in day out, it was something like that.
Yes, day in day out it was, yeah, this was the job. It was very mundane, like it started to become mundane, like
Uh-huh.
once you get to know how it works and
Right.
what
Right.
goes on, like
Normal rig.
yeah. So to get out of that mundane scene, like
Uh-huh.
started exploring. I took a
Double record ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.
like I took a break and got into music, started exploring music
okay.
side, like I have met lot of artists, like traveled like to Goa, Gokarna and all, like
Uh-huh.
met
So this was
people
after
over
that.
there.
How long
This
you been
was
playing
huh?
guitar for?
Yeah, I started playing in around 2009, like that's when I
Picked up an acoustic.
picked up an acoustic guitar and yeah, I've been playing since then, like intermittently, not but
Okay.
I've been constantly listening to music
All right.
and some sort of
Inspiration.
the interest, knowledge, inspiration, everything.
What made you pick up? Who made you pick up the guitar?
It was like, to be frank, I was mostly singing.
Okay.
Like when I was
Ah.
in school,
Like
like
All of us are bathroom singers.
yeah. So like that singing thing kind of took an extension
Yeah, you need like
to
a
an instrument.
yeah.
And for that there was in my pre-university there was a classmate called Arun. So he was a kick-ass guitarist. He used to
Alright.
get his guitar to college,
Alright.
and
Uh-huh.
like that's when I saw guitar, like
So this was
got
back
a
in
look
Yeah.
and feel of it.
12, 13.
Yeah.
Back in 12.
No,
Nice.
this
School.
is 12. This is 11th and 12th.
11th
scene.
and
Yeah,
12th.
11th and 12th. scene.
2010.
10, 11.
Yeah, that
10
time.
years.
So there was a lot of rock scene happening.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Bangalore is
kind
like-
of. Yeah, full thermal and a quarter,
Quarter, yeah.
some
Metal was
Parikrama. Yeah.
Metallica.
Metallica,
Back then, yeah.
Metallica, Megadeth, and all. They had
Gojira.
come to
Yeah.
Bangalore like
Bangalore,
back
yeah.
then,
Yeah.
in early 2000s, and
Mm.
That's nice.
yeah.
And so then after the tech support,
Yeah, after the tech support, I kind of like got out of the corporate scene itself.
Uh-huh.
Tried to do something on my own, like,
nice,
but
nice.
that requires a lot of
Effort.
effort,
And
collaboration,
and
funds.
age as you age along.
Yeah, experience.
Experience.
So all that was kind of lacking.
What was the
and,
next gig?
my the next scene at at corporate was as a web testing
Uh-huh.
executive. Like, I was into testing websites. There were a team of developers who used to develop the whole website, and I had to test it by adding different images,
Yeah.
Find bugs.
components,
Yeah.
like finding out if there is any glitches in the
Mm.
way the website works.
Yeah. Yeah.
And yeah, so I dealt with that for around it was less than a year over there. But again, the whole mundane corporate
day out.
day in day out, like do
Huh.
the same shit again,
Huh.
just like keep placing them bricks
Yeah.
kind of scene.
Right, right.
Like that
Where
again,
was this?
kind of
This was at?
this was at a company called ICF.
Oh, okay.
ICF
Uh-huh.
Olsen. Like
Uh-huh.
they are a US
How was the
based
crowd?
company.
Where your colleagues?
Colleagues, yeah, it was like the whole spectrum. Like there were youngsters to old people.
Okay, okay.
I've dealt with yeah, so pretty much the crowd around me, they were like from all ages, like all age groups. So I didn't particularly make like close friends in
Right, right.
workplace and
Workplace.
all. Like
Busy already working.
I kept my work scene at work.
Yeah.
Just
And
the
then
work
where
scene.
we moved on to next.
Then later was again a break. Like I took there was a long
Sabbatical.
sabbatical sabbatical from all this corporate scene. I had to figure out like how to fit myself in.
Self, yeah.
Like what is the next
Rearrange yourself.
earning scenario, the
Huh.
finance scenario.
Yeah,
and
right.
all. So but then corporate was the only go for me.
Yeah.
I tried venturing into solar. Like this was my own venture. Like me and my friend, we tried
Right, right.
making like a solar bag, like a bag which can
Back.
charge,
Yeah.
which has embedded solar panels, and
panels,
you
yeah,
can
yeah.
charge your phone, charge your laptop.
Right, right.
That was the idea.
But
Getting
gotta
it
scale up.
into
you can make
the
one
real
prototype,
scene,
2 prototypes, but
yeah,
like you gotta scale up.
yeah.
Did you guys
Yeah.
actually build something? You guys build prototypes of this?
No, prototype in the sense it was very simplistic. It's
Yeah.
not so complicated. You know what we did? Like we had this idea in our head, and like one day we just went off to Elhanka, just roaming putting
Yeah, yeah.
beats,
Yeah.
and we found a fair. Like there's a small fair happening at the ground. They were selling these solar lanterns. So we like got like 2-3 of those lanterns. We dismantled it entirely. Like we took the panels out. We saw
Dissected
how it works, and we just like
operation, bro.
Design.
placed it on the
Design
back.
development.
We
Product
just like
development.
kind of stitched
Reverse
it on the
engineered.
back. Yeah,
Reverse engineer.
yeah. So that
Crazy,
kind
bro.
of charge,
It worked, does
it works. Like
It works,
used
it
to
works.
charge battery. Like we got a multimeter. We are checking stuff. Like there's voltage.
But like
coming
where
down.
did you find the difficulty in like
The
scaling up?
difficulty in scaling up is
Or VC backing you needed?
yeah, some not VC exactly, but
just
some
like a small
investor,
seed.
some angel investor,
Some
seed
seed.
investor. Yeah, so that was kind of that kind of lagged, like for us to get seed investor.
So we do have like a lot of on the podcast we get a lot of people who do like a lot of different stuff. We had a guy, for example, vending machines. He's trying to bring up vending machines.
Vending,
In case if that episode's not out, it'll be surely out.
Okay.
And we have other stuff. People doing interesting stuff, trying to build products. What do you think? what would you want to say? Tell them that like how would
Huh.
you go? They'll have an idea.
So I would say
Solar, IoT,
correct,
and a lot of different stuff in Bangalore. And this is a place where like there's a
correct,
lot of
correct.
thing that goes around. How
There's
do
a
you?
lot of new stuff like coming
Yeah.
on a daily basis, right? Like I think uh, they should like whatever service or product like people are innovating, like it should, like I think the product or services should more focus on like the whole collective, like somehow it should address the collective,
Address the
like
problems.
address the problem of the whole
Huh.
community, and it should not be a personal problem.
Personal problem.
Like me ordering a food is a personal problem, and
Huh.
there is a service
Yeah.
which is helping the collective, but it's
Yeah.
on a for a personal problem.
Problem. Yeah.
But there should be initiatives which can, like for
Huh.
example, let's take an initiative where a company installs dustbins,
Right.
and like that's kind of let them make it like a money
Huh.
like put
Right,
your
you
money
put in the
swipe in,
plastic and you will get some dollars.
yeah,
money
or
out, like that's where
yeah.
some places have it.
So yeah, so things like that. So there you are addressing a bigger problem,
Hmm.
and
Coming-
even the community
Right.
is
Coming to
getting-
that, like how on a scale of
Hmm.
like ingenuity
Hmm,
and
hmm,
like being to be able to like solve problems, where do you think Bangalore stands? Because like it's in a unique place right now,
Y-
right? So
yeah,
like looking at all
so
the youngsters and people around you,
I
your
feel
colleagues.
I feel like there needs to be a lot of improvement, like
Huh.
in the way Bangalore people can tackle like urban problems. So for instance, like we see the main streets are clean,
Right.
like
Gullies are not
the
yet.
gullies are, they remain gullies, and like
Hmm.
they remain in the worst state
Right.
possible, like
Yeah.
so it's just like the cross away from the whole fancy main road, right?
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
so
exactly.
what's the
The-
barrier that's
Hmm.
placing them in the gully community, and what's the barrier that's placing
Right.
them in the urban?
Urban.
Yeah,
Also,
so
other problems and other problems that might come up. Like, how do you think where Bangalore stands in to be able to like the youth for the
Yeah.
youth to be able to like solve these problems and like understand, and like it can be started off as a personal problem, but slowly like it you know
yeah,
like
more
he solves the problem for himself, and slowly
so-
before he knows it, it affects a lot of people too.
correct. So like now what's happening is communities we see around us, it's communities are made out of middle aged people,
Hmm.
like usually
Right, the
people
growing
who are earning
the
like
old age population.
old age population makes most of the communities. Like
Hmm.
you might see
the aging population.
the sanghas, like
Huh.
this Lions Club,
Right. Right.
one more club, Shivaji Nagar Club.
Yeah,
All
yeah.
these clubs they have
Rotary.
Rotary
Rotary
clubs.
is a younger.
Sadashim Nagar.
Yeah, so all these clubs
More.
they comprise of people who are rich,
Correct.
Huh.
people who are like
Already well
capable,
off.
like who have a grasp on all the
Huh. Bigger.
administrative and
Yeah,
political
yeah.
establishments.
Yeah. Yeah.
Are there groups of youngsters like who are just like
I think Rotary does that. No?
yeah, but it's like a branch of Rotary.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's
yeah.
not like an autonomous group of
Which
young
has, yeah.
people, like
Yeah.
let's say people who are aged below 27 or 28,
Mhm.
who are yet to figure out what
Mm.
like the world is all about.
Right.
If there is an association of that kind,
Huh.
and where this association, this
Mm.
being an association, can address the Rotary Club,
Hmm.
like address the issues of youth in the Rotary Club level, like so that can be kind of a start. Like
Start.
we need more collectivism in the youth.
Youth.
So that's where Bangalore can start like tackling all
Tackling.
the
You're right.
bigger problems.
Slowly.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's slide back. So, what was
Yeah.
your next venture?
My next venture. So I joined this company called Deluxe Entertainment.
Okay.
So they deal with content management and distribution for different advertisements, features.
What about you were
Hmm.
telling me about
Yeah.
the startup.
Oh yeah, there was
How are
another
you
startup.
forgetting and I'm remembering?
Yeah, correct. Like so, there was another venture which I forgot. Like
That's
before.
interesting.
Yeah, so that was like an investment banking platform.
This for franchisees and what is it
Correct,
called?
correct. It was called Smurgers.
Smurgers, yeah.
So Smurgers, in the sense SME stands for small, medium
Medium enterprise.
enterprises, and mergers.
Oh, crazy. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So give us like a overview of what
so
Smudgers is.
yeah, so Smudgers is basically, it's a small company like
Mhm.
who have developed this platform, like
Mhm.
online platform for it's basically Tinder for business owners
Businesses,
and
yeah,
investors.
and
Right
investors.
swipe for 1 million.
Yeah,
That's a
right swipe.
good way to
Left swipe.
good way to
yeah.
put it.
So this like Tinder kind of charges, any a spectrum from 5k to 50k for delivering leads
Leads.
Mm,
And
mm.
what was
for
your role?
business. So I was initially collecting the information
Data.
Data.
from these business owners and
Right, right.
investors, asking them like what kind of business are you looking for,
Looking for
or what
helping
kind
them
of
out.
investor are you looking for.
Right,
Mm.
right, right.
So
Onboarding
yeah, I was doing the onboarding scene for
process.
Smudgers. Yeah,
So was that was nice. That was interesting.
that was
You had
interesting.
a good overview of all the businesses in the
Correct.
market.
So, like for a fresher who doesn't know where to go, like what needs to be done, like
Hmm.
that company for a fresher, it's a very good platform
Mhm.
because it improves the communication skills. Like
Huh.
fresher, being a fresher, you don't know like
Understand.
you can't understand like the
Hmm.
jargons and
Yeah, yeah.
lingo in which
Lingos in
technical or a corporate world operates,
So
right?
give us some companies which were on Smudgers, which was like
Uh, I
just on the
think
top of your head.
just from the top of my head, I don't know. Most of them were these advisory firms.
Yeah.
Like there's one called Capso.
Okay.
Like it's a big,
So they're selling franchisees
yeah,
and they're
and
looking for
the
investors.
Hindustan Motors like
Uh-huh.
has a profile on Smudgers.
Okay.
Like the company which the Bajaj.
Ah. Right, right.
Yeah, so they have a profile, and I think Axis Bank or something, like some of these banks
What
have
about
a
like
profile.
food, hospitality? They also have
Yeah, they have plenty.
plenty.
Yeah, but like I think
Oh,
yeah,
how-
this
how do
one
you,
of these Dunkin' Donuts or
Dunkin'
something.
Donuts,
Yeah,
okay.
all these.
So what kind of information are you getting about these franchisees? Like what's
So
the
like
how much
how
does
many
it
employees
take?
are
How many
there?
employees?
Yeah, how much
Revenue
initial
they're doing,
investment you got?
investment is needed.
Yeah, what was
What's
if
monthly? What are you gonna
yeah
get basically if you
yeah
invest?
yeah what's the projection, and
Projection,
yeah, we had to understand all that.
all of that. So was it like this is all MBA instead of like learning MBA? If you join something like this,
Yeah,
you'll
but
have a good overview of
there's no
assessing.
systematic way of learning. Like if you don't do
Yeah, yeah.
MBA is like basically teaching you the system behind all
Exactly.
that.
So these kind of like ventures
Yeah,
where
it's
you
like
learn.
on the fly.
So you
like
have to like go back and do your homework of understanding how
correct.
like what's like the.
So we were doing something called Industry Watch.
Mhm.
So Industry Watch is just like taking some 10 companies in the same industry
Right, right.
sector, understanding
Analyzing them.
how they have gained or lost
Uh-huh.
their performance over like past 5 years.
Right, right.
And predicting.
No, not predicting. It's just giving us
Analyzing.
a infographic. Like
Mm.
okay, see
And then
this
what do you
sector,
use? It's
food
for
and
you?
beverage sector has gone down and has
Mm.
ups and downs like this.
Mm.
So this year it might
It
go
might,
this
yeah.
way, head up or
Right, right.
head down.
It's
that
for
type.
your internal process.
Yeah, it was internal. Like that was, I think, some portion of it was also visible for the end users,
End users.
but we were using it mainly for our trying to understand. Okay, whether this company, like how to push this, where and all we can push this
Ah.
type of companies to what kind of investors and.
So looking at this, what do you think about like all the businesses coming into Bangalore?
So I think it has been constantly like rising, like the number of
Rising
industries.
the people who are looking to buy, investors and the people.
Yeah, it's like
and
a
the guy-
whole convergence happening in Bangalore,
Bangalore,
like from
Because I
based
feel
on
like
all
you
the
are like
sectors.
looking at the melting pot of all the businesses and like the investors. So you had like a good understanding because you
Yeah.
are in up and front with all the people.
Yeah,
You speak to the customers who want to invest and you speak to the people who are ready to give out franchises.
yeah, but
So
I'm
it's
not
like-
speaking on behalf of them. So it's like very independent. Like I'm a third person who is just understanding their business, and I'm no one to the
Exactly.
business guy.
Business
like,
guy,
From the investor, I'll take that information, but I'm
Information.
not. I
Right,
should
right,
not
right.
be suggesting that
Suggesting,
they have to do it
they have
among
to like
themselves.
make sure
yeah.
they pitch right.
Yeah, so that one drawback which I found in that job was like there are like scam profiles.
Uh-huh.
like there are profiles which just ask for some ridiculous investment.
I'm a
like,
prince in
Yeah,
Africa.
yeah.
I'm sending you 10
So this
BTCs right
African-
now. Please send me 10
African
lakhs.
diamond mines, like some Indonesian real estate scene,
Oh.
Full scam. It's all scam.
Full
yeah.
100% scam.
100%
Pump
scam.
and dump scenes.
So, but like if they did an like a down payment, we would activate their profile. That was, I felt it was unethical. Like,
Right, right.
okay, you don't like at least suspend their profile, pay like half the amount back or something.
Right, right.
That don't jeopardize on what the
Yeah, yeah.
platform is, right? Like,
Right, right.
why ruin the quality over
Yeah,
there?
yeah.
So they took it in the downside, like
that-
they're like, so even I didn't feel.
So
like
where did you move on
continuing
next?
there. Yeah, from there it was then Deluxe, like Deluxe Entertainment. Like they're the backbone of Hollywood, of all the Hollywood movies. Like they do
Transcribing.
everything from mastering,
Back-end process,
video
oh.
editing, subtitling,
Where are they based?
localization. So they're based from US itself. So
Outsourcing.
it's
to
a
Bangalore.
100-year-old company. It's
Okay,
100
okay.
plus
Deluxe
year.
Entertainment.
Yeah, Deluxe Entertainment. So
And
it
they have-
was initially mastering and
Right, right.
distribution company
distribution
for Fox
Fox. Oh,
when it
Fox. Okay,
started,
okay,
like
okay.
in when it was 20th Century Fox.
Fox. Okay.
Yeah.
Big
so
boss.
yeah. So then from there they picked up their
What's
game
your work
and
right now?
Where are you based in Bangalore?
in Bangalore, like the company.
Yeah.
The company is at Belandur now. Yeah.
Uh,
So yeah, I transmit movies. Like I transmit all Hollywood movies to
transmit as in-
around 3,000 theaters. So like there's a system where theaters have given a dish and data server, and that dish can receive movies via satellite.
Right, right.
So Deluxe has set up a satellite where like there is a application to push out movies to satellite,
Oh, fuck.
and the satellite just transmits
To all
everywhere.
the.
Yeah, so all
movie
3,000 theaters will receive the
Oh,
movie at
fuck.
one time, at once.
Oh, it's like their DTH.
Yeah, DTH.
DTH for like.
Yeah,
Oh, man.
yeah.
So it's their own private line of fresh
Correct,
movies.
correct, correct.
Getting injected to like all the. Yeah, fresh.
Oh no, no,
OTT.
it doesn't work that easy.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah,
We
obviously.
are
they'll have
not
some major
tapping into
protocol
like some
plus
streaming
some
MP4,
lawsuits will be
bro.
behind, bro.
Tapping into satellite.
Yeah, but like the whole format is very different.
Different, and you have encoder and they
Like,
have
yeah,
they'll
like
tra-
there's a whole
process.
layering that's
they'll,
happening.
What do you call they'll
Modulation, demodulation,
yeah, right. So
and
then
encoding, decoding.
decode it later.
Yeah.
How's this working out now?
This is pretty good. Like there's lot of scope. Big company, like more than 3,000, 4,000 employees, and yeah, I'm seeing a good future here. Like
Nice.
I can probably get into the next level of data
Uh-huh.
distribution, like
Uh-huh.
cloud based. I'm like
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
I'm planning to learn about Amazon Web Services.
Yeah.
So
AWS
Amazon Web Services,
is the king.
that's the backbone for Netflix
He's the king
now.
for
Like,
everything.
I see.
Literally,
Netflix
bro, everything
and
is hosted in AWS.
all
Amazon.
yeah, Amazon Web Servers,
Web servers.
Amazon
Amazon.
Prime, Netflix.
Their cloud services are bro for everything.
Okay.
Almost like any server space you need, it's any
Yeah.
warehouse space you need, it's fucking Amazon. Everything.
Yeah. So yeah,
Jeff Bezos got it all.
so planning to stream myself into Amazon,
Huh.
Amazon's technologies.
pun
And is there like a certification, or like you have to like?
Yeah, I have to get a certification. Like
What is this?
so this certification, like it streams into lot of segments. Like under Amazon Web Services itself,
So they only.
it depends. I can just be the guy who is expert in load testing.
Okay. Okay.
I'll know, okay, if I get 1 million clicks
Mhm.
for this website, like in 10 seconds,
Is
I
it
know
gonna
whether it's gonna stand or crash.
yeah.
Yeah, so that's one level of expertise.
Load management.
Yeah, the other level is all data management.
Right. Right.
How easily can someone access
Access
data?
it.
How long will it take to access the data?
Wow.
What's
nice.
the
Nice.
yeah?
Interesting.
So it segments out into, and the other sector is security.
Uh-huh.
How can you make,
Make it
all information
Exactly.
encoded?
So it's interesting,
Yeah,
bro.
it's
Like you
in-
move
yeah.
from like understanding different spheres.
Yeah.
Hold up, we'll take a break.
Yeah.
Mostly, yeah.
See you. Just keep it running. Yo.
Check.
So
Yeah.
I'm doing one of my podcasts. You guys want to talk for 10 minutes? Promote Pancha Shop. Yeah. Hey bro, it's coming out. It's coming out tomorrow, bro. Come on. ये तू इतना 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 एटीट्यूड कितना क्यों दिखाता है भाई तू? So we have Anirban and Sharjas also at the studio. Sharjas in the studio. bro, don't say such shit, bro. I can't edit. I need to edit it off now. Yo. Why is this guy? Bro, there's no video, bro. You just have to talk.
Yeah, bro. Only no video, only audio. So we have like a quick public announcement happening. What's
So
up?
for boys who haven't checked them out, there's a band called Pancha Shop. The Pancha
The
Shop in
Pancha.
the studio.
Nice, and we were chilling here and we were listening to these guys. They were playing some nice stuff. It was nice, bro.
You can follow them on Facebook,
Yeah.
Instagram, YouTube.
Fooling around is fun.
Bro, usually these guys are play much more into harder side,
Uh-huh.
like electronic guitars and all.
Yeah, bro.
Hi, I didn't catch
So
your
what's
name.
up, bro? I'm Sakshat. Nice to meet
Akshat.
you on the podcast.
Hi, I'm Anirban from the Pancha Shop.
Pancha Shop.
How are you guys
So
doing?
guys, yeah, it's good, bro. So we were just having like a quick episode with our friend here.
That's Shashank, by the way.
Yeah.
Shashank.
Shashank's into. a lot
Welcome
of
to the
shit.
podcast, bro.
Lot of what?
Even he's into a lot of shit also. He's a team
Yo,
leader.
define shit because
That you
that's-
got to watch the podcast. That's the whole point.
Huh.
Listen to the
We'll see you
podcast.
Tomorrow I'll send you a link.
Huh.
You can listen to it and find out what shit is.
So
being
tell us
into.
what kind of music Puncture Shop plays.
So Pancha Shop is mostly into psychedelic rock, hard
Oh,
rock,
nice.
blues rock. Not into metal, but
Uh-huh.
kind of in the borderline
Nice.
of blues rock. And
Nice. Give us some artists so that we can go back and listen to, so that we understand. We can get more into your
so
influences.
the thing is, I don't know if you will be able to.
Like
relate
somebody
to
who's
any
listening
artist.
to probably. Huh.
Okay, it's very hard to say. Okay, imagine if Chris Cornell
Yes.
and the drummer of Tool,
Yeah.
Dan Carey.
Carey.
Dan Carey, and John Mayer
Nice.
Oh yeah, bro.
had a child.
Somewhere
Okay,
there.
and that child someday becomes a musician
Nice.
and creates music.
Nice.
That's what Pancha Shop is.
Good. So like,
So
it's very interesting. I guess I
Pancha
think you
Shop
guys
is
have to
also
go check
very
this out.
sexist, bro. These guys know. Ask them for the spelling. What's the spelling?
It's Puncher.
Punch her.
Yeah.
P-U-N-C-H.
So that's my line, bro. If it's ever
P-U-N-C-H-H-E-R.
spelled correctly, is it a puncture shop?
It's P-U-N-C-H-H-E-R.
C-H-E-R.
It's
yeah.
always, bro. The right
Punch
spelling is
her.
puncher only, bro. P-U-N-C-H-E-R.
It's not puncture. It's puncher.
P-U-N-C-H-H-E-R.
Hey,
Huh.
bugger, it's not double H.
No, no.
It's
No,
not
no.
puncher.
Bro.
It's puncher.
Check
Check out any space, any puncture shop. It's not.
Bugger, have you seen those roadside
Yeah,
puncture
it's
shops?
never.
Yeah.
That's my line, bro.
Yeah,
If it's the right spelling, it's not a puncture shop.
Yeah.
That's where
It
it
should
is
be
adapted from.
P-U-N-C-H-E-R.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
where it is adapted from.
Correct.
The spelling.
So I
Nice.
get what your
And what do you
influences
play,
are.
bro? Guitars?
Yeah,
Vox.
I'm the Vox as well as
Oh, nice.
lead guitars. Yeah.
So like,
What about your instruments, bro? What do you run? What do you use?
So I have a classic vibe 60s Strat. It's based off on John Mayer's signature Strat.
Sweet.
The other guy, Sharjas,
Uh-huh.
who is very shy to come out.
He's
He
not
plays
like
an-
that. I know why he's shy.
Chill,
bro.
the mic.
He's
The
the
mic
one
goes
who-
until there. Don't worry.
So he plays Ibanez RG series, I think.
Okay, okay, yeah.
40 or something.
Uh-huh.
And pedals he uses a Zoom G5N and I use a
Okay, okay.
Boss ME80. So this
Nice.
is pretty much our gear. We don't own
Even
individual
live shows,
pedals.
it's all pretty much the
You
same.
guys-
pretty much the same. Yeah, with different.
Where you
settings
guys
and
been playing?
all. Only the jam room.
Nice.
As of
For now, as of now,
so
only
yeah.
the jam room. It's
Watch
just-
out.
It's a pretty new band. It's
New
not
band.
that old. It's
Uh-huh. How
probably
you
about
guys
6
met?
months. So Shayesh and I used to work at the same office. We had a band before this, which
Okay.
was called the Fire Exit. All the weird names we had.
Fire exit,
Yeah, the
storm,
Fire
storm
Exit,
room.
Storm Room, and all that
Nice,
stuff.
nice.
And yeah, so from there we met. We found Gauri because we auditioned some drummers and post
Okay.
that. Gauri is our drummer.
The
Okay.
audition didn't take place in Jam Room, by the way.
The audition
Just
didn't take
saying.
place in Jam Room.
Yeah, I'm just
It was in
saying.
some other Jam Room.
Yeah, I'm just saying.
I'm not at the liberty of saying the name of the Jam Room
Just saying,
because we
yeah.
didn't visit after that audition.
So
Yeah,
yeah. So
yeah.
also
These guys are the only regulars.
Uh-huh.
I mean, not the only regulars. One of those bands.
You
who
have
just-
said it now.
Usuals.
You have said it
I've
now.
I've said it now, but I'll stick to it.
The usuals.
Saturday, Sundays, Anirban and his bands are
Yeah,
gonna be.
The usuals.
Yeah, usuals.
What about bass?
So, we have been playing with our bass for
You
quite
need
some
a
time.
bassy. We go quick shout out to the
yeah,
bassy.
Shashank is a
we need
bassy.
bassist.
Yeah.
And we have been introducing.
He's a bassy.
Oh,
Yeah.
He's a
really?
bassy. he plays
Hook
all
him up
rock
with the
and metal.
bassy. He's ready to go.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
We have been auditioning quite a lot. We found one
Okay.
more guy, so we'll be auditioning him next
I think
week.
we need to put up a poster, bro. Like bassy's wanted.
Hmm.
Bro.
I
No.
always tell
Yeah,
him-
so if I do all that, Varun Menon is gonna. Okay, so I'm gonna tab this in now, and I'm gonna edit this off later.
Okay, later.
Later, all right. Okay.
Huh.
Riaz, a question.
Yeah. So, what do you think about the bass?
Answer it again.
Do we need a bassy?
I,
Or
we need-
what
we
about
need-
an electronic? Like have a electronic MIDI
Synth
going on
or
for
a-
bass.
I think.
Or do you like prefer
see,
like the
for production wise, it sounds
Mm,
okay.
Yeah.
But live,
live?
we
You need like the energy
yeah.
of a bassy.
Yeah, of
Right
course, of
behind
course. It's
Makes a lot of difference also. Bro. If you
Uh,
have a
Hmm.
bassy and then a synth guy, no.
So any
Mm.
original compositions?
a
Yeah.
lot. Actually, majorly it's original composition.
nice,
It's
nice.
yeah. So we have covering 2 or 3 tracks. It's like. Have you heard of "Come Together" by the
Come
Beatles, which was covered
Together
by Gary Clark?
right
If I
now.
listen to it, probably. I
Yeah,
haven't
okay.
heard it
Yeah.
by.
Yeah, no problem. So that's one of the tracks. And the
Uh-huh.
other track was "Rival."
Okay.
Rival?
By?
Pearl Jam.
Pearl Jam.
Probably if it's.
You-
I've
Okay,
got to.
yeah,
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah. So these are the only 2 tracks that we have covered till now. Apart from everything else is original.
Original
Starting
compositions.
from "Band-Aid Love" is one of our tracks.
Okay.
"The Spectre" is one of our tracks.
Okay.
The Spectre.
"The
James
Spectre."
Bond theme song.
No, no, it's
I don't-
ER, not RE. Sorry, this is RE, not ER. The other way around.
Okay.
And "The Rising" is one of our tracks.
Oh yeah, I've heard that. Nice.
Okay.
So we played, I think, 2 or 3 tracks here. It was just an acoustic jam just to try out how can we adapt
Uh-huh.
these songs.
How,
These songs here.
how do you find the place? Like the where you guys stay?
So I put up in Murgesh Palia for
Okay.
now, and even Shaj stays in Murgesh Palia.
Okay. Okay.
So see, this place,
Gauri?
Gauri stays in Malleshwaram. It's
Yeah.
pretty far
So
from
all
here.
are these different sides.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Okay, talking about this place, to be honest, to be very honest, this
Yeah.
is the best jam room in Bangalore.
Amen.
Period.
There he said
Period.
it, guys. Take a soundbite of that. I'm gonna
Because
sample
there are a
it.
lot of lot of aspects of a jam room:
Uh-huh.
the space, the equipment, and the
Uh,
guy.
Right.
All of these
Fits
three
all the boxes.
exactly. It checks all the boxes. Space. I mean, we were the fan of the space when
Right.
we first came into this jam room, and we were like, "Dude, this is damn
Yeah.
spacious."
The
and we can-
environment is nice.
environment is nice.
Helps
Decor
the
is good.
artists. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's kind of good, and he's also
Chill
Akshat,
guy. Chill
a
guy.
pretty chill guy.
He's
in-
pointing towards me. When
Yeah.
he's speaking, yeah.
And the only good thing about this place is you can book slots online, which
Yeah.
not other jam
Not a-
rooms
Nice.
have the provisions.
Huh.
So that way, yeah, that way.
And Kalyan Nagar on a general basis. This is so. In case if you didn't know, it's our podcast is called the Bangalore Podcast,
Okay.
and the theme is just like what it says. It's
Bangalore.
about Bangalore. So
It's about
straight
Bangalore,
up
yeah.
like anything related to Bangalore. Not relating to Bangalore, we can have a tangent towards talking about Bangalore. But
and then
what do
come
you
back
think?
to Bangalore.
Yeah.
Mm.
So what
Mm.
do you think about Bangalore on a general level? So where you work, and like
Okay,
you
see,
put up.
I am, to be honest, I was born in a Bengali family. Not a Bengali, but born in a Bengali family.
Okay.
And I've been traveling quite a lot.
So
since
I think
was
the
born.
question is good from your perspective to.
Yeah. So I have stayed in Delhi, Mumbai, Pune,
Uh-huh.
Calcutta, UP.
What was the reason behind all this?
So
Work
my
and, like,
father was in defense services.
Defense.
Defense
Okay,
services.
so-
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So because of that, I got
Uh-huh.
here.
A lot of
Yeah.
moving around.
Here, when I came, I found peace.
Nice.
Yeah.
So from the past 10 years, I'm here only. Like I
Uh-huh.
came here in 2010,
Uh-huh.
and I've
How do you
So
give
it's
us some more
Basically, your home.
Some-
now.
about Bangalore?
it is the home. Yeah. So I consider myself part Bangalorean actually.
What
If I have to, like, go
sets it apart, like
apart from
from
other
the
cities?
traffic?
Mm.
Okay,
the-
yeah. So I was just coming to that. Not all can be
Everyone
like
gets
good
there.
and yeah. So
About that.
See,
Everyone needs a shit on Bangalore's
Yeah.
traffic.
thing is,
It's logical.
if you are surviving in Bangalore traffic
Yeah.
every day,
Yeah.
you can survive anywhere in
Yeah,
this
bro.
country. Okay.
Correct, correct.
Rush hour
So,
into 10 times.
Yeah. So it basically makes you punctual. You know why? You leave home early just to avoid traffic so that you can reach office early.
That
be
is the norm.
punctual.
Yeah.
That is
That's
the
what
norm.
everybody does.
Yeah, and that's again has created a problem.
Yeah.
Like at 7:30 in the morning, you'll find traffic.
Traffic, yeah.
Like
All of
full
them are
jam.
leaving early in the
Leaving
morning.
early.
to avoid
Full
traffic,
jam.
yeah.
Yeah.
What about like spaces to chill, pubs, bars, And,
Yeah, quite a lot actually. Quite a lot.
entertainment?
Quite a lot. There is only
Which
one.
place do you often visit? Or where you like, where your friends gather?
There's a lot of places. For example, Indiranagar is like a hub
Huh.
of lot of places.
That side.
Kormangla is.
Kormangla.
Yeah, so I mostly go
Around that side.
Yeah, around that
side
side.
of town, yeah.
And the only thing is the pubs and all these closes really early when you compare it
Yeah.
to Delhi and
You
Mumbai.
shouldn't call it a
Yeah.
pub, I guess.
Yeah.
Just like,
Whatever. Yeah, exactly. It's like a bistro bar, I would
Bistro
say
bar.
at best.
yeah.
But yeah, people are nice. The
Yeah.
best thing about
Huh.
Bangalore is people are nice. I
People
mean,
are chill.
yeah, people are pretty chill. They're ready to help.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that way, it's pretty cool. I mean, compared to other cities, I would say
Huh.
pretty.
I think I
Chill.
like that answer because like you have a good perspective of the, as you said, you stayed around in places.
So
That's
which
nice.
part of Bangalore have you always been? Always towards Murgeshwar?
Okay, no. So when I first came in, I was towards Jalhalli. I don't know if
Ah,
you guys know
Jalhalli,
Jalhalli, yeah.
Yeah.
Then after that, we shifted towards Hebbal side, where that training command is there.
Oh yeah,
Makery
yeah.
Circle.
Yeah, yeah,
Makery
yeah.
Circle, yeah,
Circle.
bro.
Yeah. Then I.
Sandeep Unnikrishnan.
Yeah. So
Hmm.
then I stayed in Kormangla,
Alright.
Okay.
and after Kormangla, I shifted to Murgeshpalya, which is
Uh-huh.
near ISRO.
Alright.
So I've been to like quite a few places. Plus, other friends are there in different parts of Bangalore.
Okay.
Some guys there in Rajinagar, some guys there in Rajarajeshwari Nagar,
Right.
some people are there in Yalanka. So
Uh-huh.
yeah, that way I visited and kind of got
Oh.
a sense of every part of Bangalore.
So I'll shift gears and like I'll put you on your feet. I'll just we'll do quick fire round.
Oh,
What do you think?
balls.
Just give me like something on the top of your head
Okay, got
as
it.
I go along. As
Got
even
it.
I'm thinking all
Got it,
up all
got it,
this.
got
Okay.
it.
Guitar strings.
Sure. Diodario NYXL.
Ah,
Okay.
He said it.
Snare.
You have the answer. I don't have the answer.
It's your quick
I
fire
have
round.
zero knowledge. I have zero knowledge
Okay.
about drums. Ask me anything about guitars.
Okay. Tuning pegs. No, that was
What? Cast
okay. Well done. Okay. Music that you've been listening to lately. Often and like it's you're in the groove for
five
that.
bands or something that.
Bands, okay. Alter Bridge, John Mayer, Keith
John Mayer.
Urban.
Okay.
A lot of.
Any new app that you've been using that is like
Tinder.
if you
happened.
Yeah, that's not new. That's not new.
it's age old.
I recently downloaded a metronome app. I forgot the name of it.
Soundburner.
Soundbrenner.
I can tell you now. Pro Sound, I think. Pro
Is it good?
Sound, yeah. It's
Any other
Pretty
app
chill.
like Calm and Meditate?
No,
there are a
no.
lot of other
No way.
apps. I'm just like trying to
me and my
find
guitar.
new good
Yeah,
apps.
yeah.
Me and my guitar and everything
Yeah.
is fine. Yeah.
Nice processor,
Boss.
boss. Huh. Bangalore,
Best.
best. Masala
Minus
dosa.
the traffic. Masala dosa. Breakfast.
Breakfast. Nice, bro. I think you've done well.
Thanks. I was expecting more.
Yeah, bro.
But okay,
You-
yeah,
we
Akshat.
can go
So,
we can go on.
For me, the question was like about the songs and all, bro. Where did you get the inspiration?
You're asking me questions now.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so I have to answer you now.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Writing,
Answer the people who are listening.
Writing. from-
writing songs. How do you go about writing songs? Like, is
Okay.
it always jamming and then come about something and then write songs for that, or you guys?
Not just that. I mean, it's a mix of a lot of things.
Okay.
Basically, Broken Heart is
Is a nailing.
source of lot of
Source,
songs.
lot.
Lot of songs.
Yeah.
Okay, minor keys mostly.
Yeah. Always
So
keep
So
it
exactly.
minor. No
Yeah.
major, bro.
No major. Yeah,
No
only
major.
minor.
Just
only minor.
flatten the
Yeah, yeah.
third.
Yeah.
That's how
So
it
yeah, so Broken Heart, and plus if you're just randomly jamming, we come up with tracks. And if you're talking about writing lyric writing and all, that depends on the mood, man. There's no.
Uh,
So you fix a theme to it first, and then you write around that theme, or you just
So I just write first, okay, and then see if it fits the composition or how do I tweak it to fit the composition. Or else you can do side by side. Like there are some songs which I was doing side by side, the composition and the lyric writing.
Yeah.
And some songs you have the composition with you, you
Yeah.
kind of adapt the lyric to it.
Yeah.
And this, for some you have the lyric, you adapt the composition.
Mm.
So there's different methods of doing it.
So that the other song which we had recorded here, what was the name of it?
So at that time it was named as Anomaly. Now it is changed to
Yeah,
Bandit Love
so
because we've changed
I
some
wanna know
tweaks.
about that 'cause I was witnessing how you guys were jamming. So
Mm-hmm.
for that song, I saw that you guys started out with that first intro riff,
Mm-hmm.
and then you progress with that song, right? Or is that how it?
No, that song didn't. I mean, the birth of that song didn't happen here.
Okay.
It was in my living room.
Okay.
So the riff and everything
Okay.
I had played with some other person actually. So he wrote the lyrics
Okay.
of that song. I mean,
Okay.
the initial part of that song.
Okay.
And then we changed the lyric a bit,
Mm.
and not bit. I think the whole lyric is changed now.
Okay.
And basically, the riff and everything, I came up in the living room, and then we jammed.
Jammed
and
it, yeah.
Yeah.
Crazy, bro. We'll put a snippet of these guys, like 30 seconds or 1 minute of their EP.
Yeah,
What
and
were you
to
gonna
draw like
yeah, what
no,
can
and
draw
to
an idea.
draw and what happened to the podcast. We started off with our man Shashank there.
Yeah.
If you guys are listening, I'm completely like sorry because if you find like Shashank too, we can get him on again. But like this guy, like we had to like get Anirban over because like our man wanted to like speak to him.
Yeah.
So he was I think he was always yeah,
Yeah.
he always wanted to get like guys over. So I think that
I'm
was
just
fun.
happy that you remember my name.
Yeah, yeah.
Because not many people remember my
It's,
name on the
don't
first
worry.
go.
There are many other memory lapses there and holes in my memory that I have. Yeah.
So what we can do is probably we can just cut this segment.
No, okay. So let it be an
Yeah.
episode together.
Or yeah,
And what do you
just-
have to say, bro? Like you have final. We'll give you final minutes. I'm just kidding, bro. So we'll get you back on another episode, Shashank. I think it was lovely having you too because we are running out of time too. What do you have to say, brother?
Good night, everyone.
Terribly sorry, guys. We'll do an episode with Shashank
Yeah.
and Anirban. So this was like a hybrid session of
is-
getting two
yeah.
guys over.
So I would like to include charges also the next time.
yeah.
Oh, when he joins, no. And if he starts talking,
Yeah,
you
no
guys
problem.
is
We have
entertainment.
unlimited bandwidth and YouTube is ready for waiting to
Great.
upload.
Great.
So that was amazing, bro, having you.
Yeah.
Thank you for
thanks.
coming over.
So please do check out Punch Shop.
The Puncher Shop
The
again.
Punch Shop, give
Correction.
them a
Yeah,
shout out.
yeah.
Share it to your
And
friends,
we have a
whoever
bit
you
of
want.
Shashank's normal quickfire rounds left. That we'll probably patch it in later or have in a different episode.
Yeah, we'll shoot
for
it in
him.
the car.
Thank
Do
you
it in the
guys.
car.
Thank you guys for coming over. This is the Baglow podcast. And if you guys want to come over for the podcast, please do message us and DM us wherever you find us. See you.
Yes. See you.
See you. Bye.
Bye-bye.